Surname, first name, age, qualifications. You complete these data regularly on the internet, but do you know that once you enter them, you lose control of them? It's impossible to delete them, to recover them, or to stop them being sold to other companies. The European Parliament has at last decided to resolve this problem by protecting personal data on the internet. It wants to introduce more transparency, a right to be forgotten, and also to set boundaries on data transfers to third parties. The European rules that are in force date back to 1995, prehistoric times in the digital world.
If any company, doesn't matter if it's from the European Union or from somebody somewhere else, for example from the United States, doesn't respect the European data protection rules, then the data protection authorities in Europe, everywhere in every member state, can fine the company with a sanction which is up to 5% of a yearly turnout of that company.
In addition to companies' restrictions, MEPs also want to limit data collection by national authorities to within the framework of criminal investigations. But this position isn't shared by everyone.
Il faut respecter la souveraineté des États. Le Conseil ne veut pas de cette directive. Le Conseil veut que chaque État continue à décider de la manière des règles de sa justice et de sa police. Ça me paraît difficile d'aller contre cette position.
The rules will be applicable throughout the world as far as European citizens are concerned, regardless of whether the data are stored outside the EU. But the United Kingdom, the Netherlands and Ireland have expressed serious reservations about the European Parliament's position, which they judge to be too punitive for small companies.